We're here at Negros AutoCon 2021. We'd like to show you our very own Land Cruiser 80 series. This is a 1997 Land Cruiser. It's running the 1HD FT 24 valve. We built this in 2013. It's running our old foam cell competition shocks. Foam cell 4-inch competition springs. It has a 30mm packer on it to level it out. It's running our caster plates, steering damper, everything is Ironman, including the panhard rod. So this was built in 2013. It's still running up to now. Same suspension, same everything. We didn't change anything. I'd like to show you the interior. So it's basically intact, all from 1997. This was built by, the interior and exterior was built by Dr. G's Car Clinic. My good friend GP did an amazing job and making it look good. So from 2013 up to now, still looks good. You see it flexing. It's running 35-inch BF Goodrich and 4x4 engineering, so you see nothing's touching. It's running stock Toyota 80 series arms and a 4-inch Ironman suspension. So basically that's it. Just keeping it clean, keeping it simple. That's our old 1997 80 series, which still works really well. It's actually the boss car. She won't let us borrow it. So that's it. Running original kilometers as well. It's about 86,000 original kilometers. So our very own 80 series, still working well after all these years. The 80 also runs, it actually runs a original Toyota front and rear diff lock. The axles are geared at 4.56 just to match the tires. It's an automatic transmission and the 24 valve diesel. So not bad for a rather old car. Still looks amazing. Thank you.